Hi guys, surprise, surprise. So this is just it's going to be a quick unboxing because I am so excited for this. It's evidently it's going to be a bag. I really want to share a lot of informations about the items right now that are on the department store, especially since Mother's Day is close by. And I really just wanted to share to you guys about this because it's actually been a bit more late because I'm posting this a bit later than I'm taking a video of it, but that's fine. But I really wanted to share it to you because if you guys are rushing for Mother's Day gifts, this is like one of the perfect ones. And I don't know if people are watching me on my Instagram or following me on my Instagram, but if you do, thank you. But if you don't, then you probably might not know or get a guess on what this is gonna be or what design because it's different. Okay, it's different from the usual unbox that I have because I literally am looking for this in Shopee for a long time. This one, but of course in leather, but I really couldn't find it. And then while I was walking around with my daughter and my husband, we kind of saw this and actually just saw this also a couple of days back, and it's just there and there's like a lot of sales there. So I'm not gonna ramble too much on. I'm just going to unbox it with you guys. So here it is. So it's from Giovanni. Now I do have a bag already from Giovanni. That's why I was like curious and wanted to check it out. So I literally haven't used it yet and unboxed it. So I just really want to share it with you guys. So if you guys know, then you probably know it's Instagram. But if you don't, guess down below because I am so excited to try this style because it's different from what I have. And I tried this one but in PU leathers before, but not in this like the style of the bag. But I have like the pattern of it is I have it already before. So introducing. So it came with the filler. The sales representative there actually showed it to me and shared what's inside. So to reveal, yes, yes, yes. This is such a cute bag. And it's honestly almost close to my hair color, trust me. But this one has a bit more green. This color is so beautiful, honestly. And yeah, so just twist it there. It's a twist lock. So this is from Giovanni, and it's like the whole Chanel vibe kind of thing because of the top handle. I think it's like the Coco handle, I think, or not. I think it's a Chanel flap handle because it has this one here because it usually a Chanel flap has just this. It's a small rectangular flap, mini. But this one has the handle, so I really, really love this style from Chanel, but I don't wanna pay the prices of Chanel, especially right now. Like it's too much. So when I saw this, it was a pretty cute color also. I tried it again and again, and I couldn't stop thinking about it. It was like a perfect color. And there's also a stark white of this. There's also like a matcha, and there's also a pink one. The pink one is like this muted old rose color. It's not my color, it's not my vibe, but I really like the selections of them, and then the styles of Giovanni in their bags right now are beautiful, and I can honestly recommend you guys check it out because they're on sale right now. So it's really perfect for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is coming up, and I would suggest you go check it out. I'm sure any type of mother that you have, whether she's a working mom, whether she's a stay-at-home mom, whether she's a mom who just likes to go maybe night out, maybe you have a mom like that. They have so many selections there that are perfect, and I really really would suggest it. So this is the one that I wanted because I've been looking for a style like this for a long time. It's just too bad there's no red, but then I realized I don't think I would want a top handle with the red color. I think I prefer that in the classic flap kind of design. So I was very happy with this. This one is 50% off right now. That's why I'm going to try to edit this as soon as possible. So yeah, there's the tag. Like I said, I haven't really used it yet. And I got this for 690 for this beautiful bag. And like I said, here are the colors. So there's the black, sage green, white, earth pink. That's the thing that I'm saying. Off-white, cashmere, light blue, maroon, apricot. So there is a maroon. I guess this like the red color, but the ones available right now are limited in the shop that I have, the department store that I went to. But I'm sure that in other department stores you gotta check it out because there's so many selections that it's worth checking because they have beautiful bags. I was so shocked. But like I said, Giovanni right now is on the field of following the trends or following the classics of luxury brands. And that's very much so in a lot of department store bags. And that's just how it is. So I would suggest if you guys you don't want to break your bank, but you still want to give your mom something special, try it here because it's really, really pretty. So I was so happy with this one. It's just gorgeous. It has, of course, the classic turn lock, which I'm very used to. And of course, inside it has a strap. So the strap that I'm actually used to is like chain straps and of course my classic leather strap. So this one I have to check if this is classic leather straps. It is because the one that I use, my other Giovanni bag, it's a different color. That's why I guess I was hoping to prefer a bag that I'll be able to use a lot more. So it seems to be leather because it doesn't have the same flimsy quality of PU leather that I bought from Shopee before, like way before. So I think this one is reused leather. So hopefully it doesn't like wreck quickly because it is very affordable. But the original price of this is 1,000 plus. Like I said, it's 50% off. So just do the math. As you can see, it's like this. And of course, I'm just going to strap it in, but I don't think right now I would because I felt like it was so cute holding a top handle. But I also have to be careful because with top handle, this one will get stained more. So I have to be careful with that. But aside from that, I'm very, very happy with this. You have to check it out. I will try to input a lot of the pictures of the bags that are available there right now because there's a lot. And I would really suggest them because it's just beautiful. And so far, the quality is nice. I think it's a much better quality than the ones other department store brands that are more affordable. I think you guys know what it is. But I do understand the competitiveness of both brands because I do know how the pricings are for both brands for each of the brands there. And I also know the quality of those bags that they get. And I understand that with the other bags that are more pricey, of course, they are more pricey because they are leather as well. And of course, they're more branded. So that's the only thing you're going to pay usually for that. But yeah, this one, I'm just so happy. It's just a very classic baby blue color. I do love blue. Blue is just such an easy thing for me to wear. It actually complements my skin tone so much. So I was very, very happy to get this. And yes, look at the beautiful bag. The only thing here that was like, maybe not, but you won't see it most of the time is this beautiful this heart shape at the back. So there's like this heart shape at the back here instead of like a pocket, which would be more useful. But other than that, I'm just happy. I'm fine with the color. I'm fine with the style and the size because I did try the size up from this, and I think this will still be much more useful because I'm going to use the size bigger from this. I will probably just use some of my Kelly 25s because they'll just be closer in sizes as well. Although I do know that the vibe will be different, but I think so far in the bulkiness of it, this one is just fine, the size, and it fits both my phones also comfortably. So I would really suggest it. So go check it out. I would recommend to you. So I'm not gonna add this a bit more lengthy. I just really wanted to share it to you guys and have a great Mother's Day. Bye.